There are moments in life when you look in the mirror and barely recognize the woman staring back. Maybe it's the stress etched on your face, the way your body feels stiff and unfamiliar, or the ache in your back after a long day. You remember a time when you felt vibrant, mobile, and confident in your body. But somewhere along the way, that feeling started to fade. You're not alone. Every day, countless women juggle careers, families, and responsibilities with little time left for themselves. The result? Our bodies grow tense, our flexibility fades, and we begin to feel disconnected from our physical selves. But here's the truth. Your body is not broken. It's simply calling out for a little love and attention. And one of the most powerful, accessible ways to respond is through standing yoga stretches. So let's roll out our mats and rediscover the joy of movement together. Let's begin with a classic standing forward fold, or Uttanasana. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart, feeling the ground beneath you. Take a deep inhale, reaching your arms overhead, lengthening through your spine. As you exhale, gently hinge at the hips and fold forward, allowing your upper body to drape over your legs. Allow your head, neck, and shoulders to release towards the floor. If you feel any tightness in your hamstrings or lower back, feel free to bend your knees slightly. Hold for 5 to 10 deep breaths, allowing the breath to guide you deeper into the pose. Come back up to standing and let's transition into a standing side stretch. Bring your feet together and reach your arms overhead, interlacing your fingers and pressing your palms towards the sky. Inhale deeply, feeling a beautiful lengthening through your entire spine. As you exhale, gently lean your torso to one side, keeping both feet firmly planted on the ground. Hold for 5 breaths, visualizing your breath flowing into any areas of tightness, and then gently return to center. Repeat the stretch on the other side, holding for another 5 breaths. Step your feet hip-width apart once more and let's move into a powerful chair pose, or Utkatasana. Bend your knees and sink your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your core engaged and your spine long. As you hold chair pose, bring your hands behind you and interlace your fingers at the base of your spine. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently lift your arms away from your back, opening your chest and shoulders towards the ceiling. Hold for 5 breaths, breathing deeply into any areas of tightness. From chair pose, step your right foot back, coming into a high lunge position. Make sure your front knee is directly over your ankle. Inhale and bring your palms together at your heart center. As you exhale, twist your upper body towards your front leg, hooking your left elbow outside your right knee if it feels comfortable. Keep your chest open and your spine long. Hold for 5 breaths, breathing deeply into any areas of tightness. After 5 breaths, release the twist and step back to your starting position. Repeat on the other side, holding for another 5 breaths. Now, let's give some love to those quads with a standing quad stretch. Stand tall and find your balance. If you need to, lightly hold onto a wall or a chair for support. Bend your right knee and bring your heel towards your glutes. Reach back with your right hand and gently grasp your right foot. Keeping your knees close together, gently press your hips forward, feeling a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply into any areas of tightness. After holding on the right side, gently release the stretch and repeat on the left side. Let's finish with a grounding mountain pose, or Tadasana. Bring your feet together, grounding down through all 4 corners of your feet. Feel your spine lengthening, your tailbone reaching towards the earth, and the crown of your head reaching towards the sky. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and feel your chest soften. Inhale deeply, sweeping your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Feel a beautiful stretch through your sides and chest. As you exhale, lower your arms back down to your sides. Repeat this arm movement several times, syncing your breath with the movement. Continue to breathe deeply in this grounding pose, feeling the stability of the earth beneath you and the spaciousness within you. You don't need to dedicate an hour a day. Even 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, during a work break, or before bed can create profound shifts. Tips for consistency. Pair stretches with a habit like brushing your teeth or morning coffee. Use a mirror to check alignment and build body awareness. Be patient and kind with yourself. Listen to your body and honor its limits. Progress isn't measured by how far you can stretch today. It's about showing up for yourself, day after day, with compassion and intention. Standing yoga stretches are more than physical movements. They're a way of reconnecting with the woman inside you who longs to move freely, feel vibrant, and stand tall in her power. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.